In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a program to be accessible from anywhere in the system, or how to add a program to your path environment variable. Right, so if you're not sure what I'm talking about exactly, let me just demonstrate. So if I basically type in mousepad, as you can see, mousepad is accessible from anywhere. So what we can actually do is we can make any program or any file be accessible from anywhere in the system, even if you're not in the same directory as the file is in. So all we have to do is type in echo $path, and this shows your path environment variable. Now the directory we're interested in is user local bin. That is the best directory to put your stuff in. But before you actually put any files into that directory, just make sure that your permissions are set correctly. To change the permissions of your file, all you have to do is just type in chmod +x run.py, or your basically file right here. All this does, it just allows us to execute the file, and then we can just execute it from anywhere within the system. Okay, now all it's left to do is we just need to copy the file from wherever it is, right? So in my case, it's on my desktop. We just need to copy it to user local bin. To do that, we need to type in sudo. Make sure you use sudo because it won't allow you otherwise. Sudo cp run.py, so your file right here, and then user local bin. You might have to put your password in, and as you can see, it doesn't give us any error, so it is absolutely fine. Now if I exit the directory and I type in run.py, as you can see, it executes the file, and it should also work for you. Now, alternatively, what we can do is we can export path to the environment variable. There's two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the first way, which is that basically this is only available to the reboot. So what we need to do is we just need to type in pwd, and from here we just basically need to type in the following command: path equals $path, 2 dots, and basically the directory. So I'm just going to copy this. There we go. And what this does, if you actually type in equal $path now, as you can see, it's right here. But as I said, this is only till the reboot, because as soon as you restart your machine, this will basically be gone, right? So if I type in param_spider now, as you can see, it works, right? So I can go to here, and I can type param_spider, and as you can see, it works, right? So I'm going to show you the basically permanent way right now. Now, if you would like to export permanently or forever, all you have to do is type in echo $shell. Now from here, you just need to figure out which bash you're using, or basically which shell you're using. So in this case, I'm using ZSH, but you might be using bash or C. So I'm going to show you what to do if you're using either ZSH or bash in a second. Then from here, we just need to go make sure that you're in the directory that you want to export the program in. So I am here, so all I have to do is basically just copy this command, right? So path equals path $path, 2 dots, and then from here and here, you just need to put the directory that you want to copy to your path or export it to path environment variable. Then just copy this, right? Make sure you copy the whole command. Then go to your home directory. So you can do this by going to tilde. And from here, all you have to do is, if you're using bash or C, you just need to do dot bash or C, and then just at the bottom paste this in, right? So just paste it at the bottom, maybe here should be fine. Now because I'm using ZSH, I need to do it in ZSH, right? So all for me is just ZSH or C. And if I go at the bottom, right, so just do it like me. So just basically paste it at the bottom. Don't make sure that you do it like at the bottom. Take 1 space extra so you don't disturb any of this basically code. So just paste it in, make sure that you save it. And then from here, you just need to do source ZSHRC or bashrc. Now all the source command does, it just basically updates your path environment variable and it updates your terminal. And from here, if you type in echo $path, as you can see, is right here. So if I type in param_spider right now, as you can see, it works. Right, that'll be it for this video. I hope I helped you guys out somehow. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And please don't forget to check my other content.